Hello traders and welcome to ChrisFX. I know that the concept of divergence is something that you find very interesting, and it is indeed interesting because it can help us enter way higher probability trades, and as a result it can help us take our trading to the next level. In a previous video that you can see on the top right of your screen right now, I had shown you how to use order blocks with the RSI in order to check out for divergence, which is indeed a very good tool to use in order to increase your winning probabilities. But this video is an upgrade to this previous video that I had made, where I am going to show you again how to use order blocks with divergence, but this time the divergence is in real time and we will not be using any indicator which lags to the price. And I will show you how to trade it, for example, on USD CAD. You can open any USD pair, and what I want from you is to go ahead, click on this add symbol in the top right of your screen on the TradingView platform, and then type down DXY. And then you can add by clicking on this plus icon. You can add DXY, which is the dollar index in your list right here. Here I have DXY. Now go, for example, on USD CAD or whichever pair has the US dollar in it. Go ahead and click here where it says select layout. Then go ahead and click in this one that you see on the second line. On the first one, you have the USD CAD, for example, clicked. Click on the other image on the bottom, on the other asset, let's say, which is the dollar index, and then click on the other half of the screen on the bottom and click on the dollar index. It will automatically add the dollar index. I have them already opened right here because I want to show you a very specific example. Now, if you are a little bit more advanced, you can skip those parts of the video where I'm explaining about divergence, but if you are not, I will go through them once again. So in a situation where we have, for example, an uptrend, let's say we are having higher highs and higher lows, what is a divergence? Is when, for example, your indicator would make a lower high and a lower low at the same exact spot. So if we put those two below each other, you would see, for example, on your price making higher highs, okay, a higher high, but on the RSI, for example, you would see a lower high. This is an indication that we might be going towards the downside now. In a downtrend, it would be the exact opposite. We are making lower lows in this occasion, but on the indicator, we would be making higher lows. So here you can see the discrepancy. Here we have a lower low, but on the indicator, we would have a higher low. This might be an indication that now we are going, at least for a short term, towards the upside. It will be the exact same thing, but now with two very correlated assets, in this occasion the USD CAD and the dollar index. And I will take you exactly to this point in time because this trade happens exactly right here that you see over here. It is the exact same spot that you see over here. Okay, Friday 14th. From a higher time frame perspective, and I'm referring to the 15-minute time frame in this occasion, we see that we grabbed liquidity and we did come back impulsively and broke above structure right here. What are we expecting? We are expecting a retracement to at least, let's say, the 50% level or somewhere close anyways to that, and then we will take it towards the upside. Now, what you do, since you know all of those things, you go back over here and you check out for divergence on the 1 minute time frame now between USD CAD and the dollar index, and you look for it as we are approaching, let's say, the discount. Here what we have recognized already, if I take you a little bit back in time, let's do it, let's say, in real time, I will take you exactly right here at the exact same time, 9:35 on both. So this is how they look exactly on top of each other. Just go ahead, highlight your areas. You have this fair value gap, but you can go ahead instantly and highlight this whole order block where you are expecting things to happen. Here you can do the same thing, of course. the area below from this small order block until here, let's say. Okay, what I can see instantly is from this retracement on the 1 minute time frame, you see, lower low, okay, and potential lower high. We will see. What do we see on the dollar index at the exact same spots? Here we see this, okay, we have a higher low even until here. Let's say we have not made a lower low yet. So I already know that I might be having divergence between those two, and at the same time USD CAD has tapped into this order block and the fair value gap that you see right here. I will go ahead now and delete these ones, and we will proceed at the same time to see how we could be taking this entry. Let's move a little bit forward. So I will move step by step. Here I will go to 940. And here at the same time, I will go to 940 as well. So 5 minutes later. Okay, very nice. We have divergence, but we are waiting for a proper change of character. I will move slowly and I will play price action as you see it right here. Let's go and go at 949 also on the dollar index. Okay. We have some very strong indications that we might be going towards the upside. Now, if I see a change of character right here, which we have already seen on the dollar index already right here, I will be willing to go towards the upside because I have divergence between the two. Despite the fact that we made a lower low on this retracement on USD CAD, we made a higher low on the dollar index. So I will go ahead and proceed to see if I have a change of character on USD CAD. Not yet, not a proper change of character, that's why you have to wait. And let's go 2 steps forward, 955. Now I will go to the exact same spot here. 955 here as well. I still have divergence, okay, still we have the divergence. Let's move forward a little bit more. Let's do it and wait for a proper change of character. There you go, this is a proper change of character. Very, very impulsive, and this is at 10 o'clock. So I will go here 5 minutes later at 10 o'clock as well. You see the exact same thing. This is a very strong indication. We still have our divergence. You see, the divergence is still here between these 2 points. And now, of course, this is the 1 minute time frame, so you can go ahead and take this trade exactly right here with the 17 pip stop loss, or you can just wait and enter, let's say, on the 50% of this candlestick right here. There you go. You could do that as well and enter here with a 12 pip stop loss. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, of course, for the targets, you will go and target also from a higher time frame, an area such as this one, or you can even go to this area to grab the liquidity above these highs over there. But now you see we are in current price action. So it is always a good thing to close profits from a higher time frame. When you go to at least 3 to 1, be sure this is a 3.5 to 1 until this high of the 15-minute time frame. Here, go ahead, close a 70% of your trade, and then you can bring the stop loss to break even though price is gonna come back now. Of course, you will see this video 1 week later from this price action right here. So what you are gonna see probably is price now grabbing the liquidity below this area and giving us another opportunity. But this is an upgrade to the previous video. I showed you how to use divergence in real time with 2 highly correlated assets without the use of the RSI, which is lagging to real price action. And as always, traders, if you want to take your trading to the absolute next level, there is no better place than booking a one-to-one call with me, where I take you step by step through my unique trading strategies, or of course join the ChrisFX Academy, where you have access to all the specifics and all the trading rules and trading strategies, plus you have access to me 24/7. Now, regarding the giveaway, go ahead, like this video and leave any comment that you want to leave, and I will make sure that I will automatically include you in the giveaway. We already have more than 60 people. When we reach 100 people, 2 of you are gonna be getting access to the ChrisFX Academy absolutely for free. But one thing to bear in mind, when we get up to 100 people, I will ask from you to join my general Discord server, which is free, so do not get confused. I'm not pushing you to buy anything. This will be absolutely free for everybody for a lifetime, the general Discord server. So the loyal viewers who will also follow me on the general Discord server, we will narrow it down and choose 2 out of them. Of course, if 100 of you join, then that would be absolutely perfect, because the more people we will have on Discord, the better. But again, this will be absolutely for free. This next step is just to see who are the loyal viewers and who want it the most and who deserve it the most. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.